Alright guys, so I took the truck out racing like a week ago now. I ran it 3 times. I missed the first one, my friend wasn't there to record, but the other two he got. And then I'm going to throw in a couple other clips from other cars. There was this crazy lifted 4-wheel drive C10 there that ran 7.2, which is insane. So yeah, gonna play the clips.
Bring money with you, BMW. This one sounds healthy. C10, it says Project Outrage on the back window. LS Series pickup truck here in the Lucas lane. The Outrage C10 in the Burger lane. Oh, and I love this. Monza Mirage, very rare car. You don't see too many of them left. Volkswagen Beetle, pickup truck. And at the right, Burger lane, going through the lights, 903 to a 1019. Monza, interesting one. Roll the windows, roll your window up in the F lane, roll your window up. Alright, this is an interesting turbocharged pickup truck in the Burger lane. 4-wheel drive GMC in the Lucas lane. Get ready because they're going to go. RPMs come up, torch it up.
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I'm sorry it was super short. The truck ran really good. I ran consistently. Well, I ran 903, 9 something, and then 903 again. I know it's an 8-second truck, but I can't really launch it because it overpowers the brakes. So I'm gonna be doing brakes and suspension and stuff soon. But yeah, as soon as I get all that stuff done, can't wait to go back. Hopefully get an 8. And I'm also thinking about running this truck in the sportsman class for the Summit ET or something like that at Irwindale. So stay tuned for that. Gonna be going to try competing for the first time. So yeah, hope you enjoy the video.